I am Nasser Sinibalan or aka Barao. I'm living in San Mateo, Calyosan. Sitio Taguan is a peaceful community where people are friendly, respectful, and hardworking. Our culture is a mix of Christian and Muslim tradition, and we celebrate diversity. The environment is mostly rural, with lots of farms, rice fields, and fresh air. It's quiet and simple, but it's home. My father is Nasser Sinibalan Sr. and he worked as a driver. My mother is Bambis Nimpalan, a homemaker who also managed a small business store. I have 8 siblings. I am a second oldest brother. We live a simple life, but we are happy and content. Our family values love, faith, and hard work. I graduated from Alyosa National High School. It's a public school known for its dedicated teachers and active student clubs. I learned a lot there, not only academically but also in terms of social responsibility, and helped me grow into the person I am today. I am taking a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. I choose this course because I'm always been interested in managing business and becoming an entrepreneur someday. I expect this course to give me the knowledge and skills I need in finance, marketing, and management so I can run a successful business one day. 15 years from now, my goal in life is to become a successful entrepreneur and create a business that help people in my community. I will achieve this by studying hard, saving money, gaining experience, and never give up. Possible preventing might be financial difficulties, lack of resources, or fear of failure, but I will overcome them through hard work and faith. I see myself owning a small but growing business, supporting my family, and giving back to my community through job opportunities.